Hello, welcome to Click and Learn. As a proud parent, how worried are you about your child getting the best possible teaching in his or her school? Are you concerned that your child isn't getting enough care and individual attention he or she needs to do well at math? Are you losing sleep worrying about your child, and how he or she will manage his upcoming National Grade 6 Assessment examination? Well, worry no more. We have created video-based learning that will enable your child to learn in the comfort and convenience of your home. As you probably already know, over the past 5 to 10 years, the performance of pupils at grade school level has been poor, very poor. In fact, according to official reports, 60%, yes, you heard it right, 60% of students who wrote the exam failed. In other words, 6 out of every 10 pupils who wrote the exam failed. A very few, less than 1% of the students who wrote the exam, of the 13,200 students who wrote the exam, have failed. You want to avoid your child failing that exam. Those who have failed the exam are relegated to lower grade secondary schools, or worse yet, they drop out of the school system. What would it feel like to see your child using your laptop, your desktop, or tablet to learn in the comfort and convenience of your home? In this video, we'll be reviewing a past National Grade 6 paper 2020, and we'll be looking at paper 2. Your child will be engaged in the learning process because your child will be working along with us as we explain step by step how to respond to those questions. On your screen, you see past paper 2 2020. We'll go through it quickly. Remember, you can pause the video at any time and replay the video any number of times. What you are seeing on your screen is actual past exam questions that students have to answer. There are 40 questions and the timing for the exam is 60 minutes. So your child will learn. Each and every question will be explained step by step dynamically on your screen. For example, your child will see, take for example this question. We will solve this question dynamically on your screen so you can see what it's like to learn using our videos. So here's the question solved dynamically on your screen. The diagram EFGH shown below is a square with a straight line connecting the vertex E to the point J, angle FEJ. Now, during the course of our videos, your child will be asked to work along. Will be given time to practice solving the problem on his or her own first. You'll see the timer with the clock ticking, showing the time that's passed. And we'll work the problem out afterwards. We'll explain, for example, the diagram EFG shown below is a square. The key idea here, it's a square, and what it means that this angle here it means that since it's a square, all the angles at the corners are right angles. So this is a right angle shown by the symbol. This is also a right angle. Another right angle there, and that right angle there. What it means is that x plus 49 degrees would be equal to 90 degrees. Why? Because This angle is 90 degrees. Therefore, it means x would be 90 degrees minus 49 degrees, which would be 41 degrees. So the answer to find the value of the angle x is 41 degrees. So your child sees it done on the screen, and hears the voice of the narrator explaining the steps, and he or she worked along with the narrator, so he or she develops the knowledge, skills, and abilities to solve related problems related to regular shapes and angles. As you've seen on your screen, the contents of the past National Grade 6 assessment paper, you may be wondering, what are the benefits of reviewing a past paper? Why review a past paper? It's come and gone. Well, the benefits of reviewing a past paper dynamically on your screen is it boosts confidence in your child because he or she has been there and they've done that. They've seen how to do it. Another benefit is your child becomes familiar with the structure of the exam and the style of the questions, and so reduces test anxiety, exam fear. It also reinforces what is taught in the classroom in the comfort and convenience of your home. No more hassling getting to extra lessons, going to cramped bottom house extra lessons. Your child can study anytime, anywhere, and enjoys instant feedback, and so boosts your child's motivation to study more. It also refreshes key terms, definitions, concepts, and principles that he or she probably missed in class. It gives her the time to test her knowledge of past concepts and principles. Imagine what would it be like to see your child studying in the comfort and convenience of your home, reviewing past exam lessons, video lessons. Each video, for example, snapshot shows on your screen, is less than 10 minutes. So it's designed that way because your child's attention span is pretty short, and therefore he or she doesn't feel bored. Moreover, they can choose any topic that they need to review or revise. For example, relating to circles, they choose that video. The problem related to angles, they can review that, percent, consumer arithmetic, areas of cuboids and regular shapes, and much, much more. There are hundreds of videos, each explaining step by step how to learn those key concepts and principles. And your child has complete control of his or her learning experience. The contents of this grade school module, don't start school without it. Some of the benefits: step-by-step process helps to overcome math anxiety and improve understanding. You can pause the video and read it for yourself. Features and benefits that your child can learn anytime, anywhere. One-on-one teaching at the click of a mouse, which means you get direct teaching at your fingertips. Step-by-step explanations with dynamic illustrations, as you saw earlier in the video, to boost understanding, which means your child retains more than 67% of what he or she is learning. The videos cover the curriculum, school curriculum, all in the comfort of your home. On your screen you see a word cloud in the shape of an apple with the topics that are required to be covered in school. It covers all the topics: numbers, fractions, proper fractions, squares, radius, area, triangles, significant figures, conversion of fractions, units of measurement, mass, volume, simple interest, Roman numerals, isosceles triangles. All the topics that are required for the exam are covered in this module. So what are you waiting for? Get your module today. You can either call us or send me an email. Enjoy. Thanks for watching.